As the leaves begin to fall and the air turns crisp, nothing feels cozier than the warm, spiced flavors of pumpkin. Today we're making the ultimate pumpkin dump cake, a simple, delicious dessert that's perfect for gatherings or just a cozy evening at home. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need 15 ounces of pumpkin puree, 12 ounces of evaporated milk, 3 large eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 15.25 ounces of yellow cake mix, 1 cup of melted unsalted butter, and 1 cup of pecans or walnuts, optional for a crunchy topping. First, prepare the pumpkin filling. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the pumpkin puree, evaporated milk, eggs, sugar, vanilla extract, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. Blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy with that beautiful deep orange color. Next, pour this pumpkin mixture into a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Spread it evenly across the bottom. Now for the magic. Sprinkle the entire box of dry yellow cake mix evenly over the pumpkin filling. Don't stir. It will bake into a perfect topping. Then drizzle 1 cup of melted butter evenly over the surface. Finally, sprinkle the nuts on top if you're using them. Place your dish into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius and bake for 50 to 60 minutes. It's ready when the top is golden brown and a toothpick comes out with just a few moist crumbs. Let the cake cool slightly so the layers can set. Then, slice into squares and serve. Serve warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, a drizzle of caramel sauce, or a dollop of whipped cream sprinkled with cinnamon. Pair it with a hot cup of cider or coffee for the ultimate fall treat. If you have leftovers, cover them tightly or store in an airtight container in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. For longer storage, wrap slices in foil and freeze for up to 3 months. This pumpkin dump cake is not just dessert, it's the perfect centerpiece for fall gatherings. Easy to make, rich in flavor, and sure to bring everyone together. So there you have it, the ultimate pumpkin dump cake for fall. Simple, cozy, and absolutely delicious. Be sure to check out this video for more.